two-part fitness center, one part covering only fitness and not any type of martial arts, and the other part covering both fitness and martial arts. We incorporate many of the fitness drills into our martial arts.
So I started at Resolution Fitness for personal training and weight loss, and Cornelius brought into my training kickboxing, boxing, bag work, and self-defense. It was actually the self-defense that got me interested, and that what got me into JKD.
I can honestly say, with Cornelius and Resolution Fitness, I've learned more in a few months about actual combat than spending several years in other disciplines.
When I started, I weighed 50 pounds more than I do, and I was very inactive.
I think what I like best about Cornelius and Resolution Fitness is just the no-nonsense, straightforward. You're here to do combat. You're here to learn how to fight efficiently. You're here to end a fight as quickly and as positively as possible.
I don't ever expect to be in a situation where I need to be able to defend myself, but if I am in that situation, I'm going to be able to, and that gives me just a measure of confidence.
We'd love to have you come down and receive 5 free sessions, either towards fitness or MMA.